In this surprising Ring doorbell recording, a man stumbles onto someone's porch and unexpectedly falls as though he's intoxicated. His disoriented behavior raises questions about his intentions or state of mind, leaving the homeowner to wonder what brought him to their doorstep.
I'm just tripping. No! 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 Okay, I remember there was a wall right here.
In this tense Ring doorbell footage, a masked man is caught red-handed stealing packages from a homeowner's porch. When confronted by the homeowner, he quickly changes the narrative, claiming to be a delivery man. Unfazed, the homeowner firmly instructs him to leave and demands he drop all the stolen packages he had stashed in his bag. In this unsettling Ring doorbell footage, a man is caught at night attempting to break into a home, all while being seen peeping through the windows. His suspicious actions, lurking around the property under the cover of darkness, heighten the tension as the camera captures his every move.
Hello? 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 Hello, what are you doing? Hello?
In this bold Ring doorbell clip, a man is caught in the act of stealing a mailbox right in front of someone's house. His blatant attempt to take the mailbox in broad view demonstrates his disregard for being seen, but the homeowner's surveillance camera captures every detail of the crime.
¿Qué pasó, men? ¿Qué pasó?
This is mine or this is yours? You
Can I help you with something?
I'm in 368. Your neighbor?
Yeah.
I'm just saying. So I was confused on 366 was mine or 368.
Okay, 368 is yours.
También you have mail.
In this alarming Ring doorbell recording, a homeowner catches a man entering their yard in broad daylight, armed with a knife. The tension rises as the intruder casually walks onto the property, unaware he's being watched.
Hey, bro, get here. Fuck. I will beat your ass. I will kill you. Get the out of here. I will out of here. I will.
Viewers, you can send your creepy footage to Creepy Chronicle and subscribe to our channel for more eyes-opening contents.
In this eye-opening Ring doorbell footage, a homeowner catches a man red-handed as he attempts to steal a box left outside the house in broad daylight. The would-be thief's brazen actions are fully captured on camera, showcasing his quick grab for the package before being confronted. In this tense Ring doorbell recording, a homeowner catches an intruder attempting to break into his parked van right in the driveway. The homeowner quickly shouts at the suspect, threatening to call the police, sending the would-be thief fleeing the scene.
Joining me now is Representative Nancy Pelosi. Donald Trump was a president when he removed those documents. He was a president that has a right to classify. He was a president that put it in an area that...
Get out of there! I'm calling the cops! You're going to jail!
In this late-night Ring doorbell footage, a man is caught attempting to break into a property but is quickly spotted by a security personnel on duty. Realizing he's been noticed, the intruder immediately flees the scene, abandoning his plans.
Hey, this is Channel Security in private property!
In this eerie nighttime Ring doorbell capture, a man is spotted creeping around a property, but his suspicious activity is quickly interrupted. The homeowner uses the doorbell speaker to warn him, causing the intruder to leave the scene immediately.
Hey, this is Steve Sentinel Security, your private property. Get out of here.
In this tense nighttime Ring doorbell scene, two hooded individuals are seen approaching a store with questionable intent. However, before they can get any closer, they are swiftly warned by the vigilant security on duty. Startled by the warning, the pair quickly flee the area, demonstrating how a well-timed alert can deter potential intruders. In this brazen daylight incident, a man is caught on the Ring doorbell camera attempting to steal items from a homeowner's porch. His boldness is on full display as he casually approaches the property, seemingly unaware of the watchful eye capturing his every move.
Hello, this is Deep Sentinel Security. Drop the package. If you do not belong here, the police are being notified.
In this tense encounter, a property owner catches 3 individuals attempting to gain unauthorized access to his parking slot. With quick thinking, he threatens to call the police, effectively scaring them away.
Hello, good evening. This is Deep Sentinel Security. You 3 guys just entered. Hey, it's a private property. Police are on the way.
In this alarming incident, a man is caught on camera attempting to steal from a park, only to be intercepted by the vigilant security guard on duty. Realizing he's been spotted, he makes a hasty retreat, fleeing the scene as quickly as possible. This footage serves as a reminder of the importance of security measures in public spaces and the swift action of those dedicated to keeping our community safe.
Hello, this is Deep Sentinel Security. May I help you? Leave this area immediately or police will be contacted.
In this tense nighttime encounter, an individual is captured on camera attempting to break into a property. The moment the security alarm activates, panic sets in, prompting the intruder to flee the scene in a hurry.
This is Deep Sentinel Security. You're being recorded. You need to leave the property immediately.
As we approach the end of this video, I just wanted to say, if you've enjoyed the thrills and chills, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more hair-raising content. Remember to leave a comment, share with your friends, and hit that like button to help spread the fear.